I'm harvesting my garlic today. It's time I think, because look at, you see the bottom two leaves die off. You can't even see it on that one. And this one here, this is probably the second leaf. The first one's so deteriorated you can't even see it. And see this one's already rotting away the wrappers. See on this one, this is probably the second leaf. Here's the first one. First one here is already rotted away, so already up to the third leaf that's dying off. And see, this is the second leaf. The first one's almost disintegrated, the first wrapper. So I'm getting it out. There's no reason to me to leave it in any longer, because it'll just start rotting away the layers. Which right now it's not so bad. So plus it's supposed to rain again tomorrow. So to me it's time to get it out, which is what I'm doing. So I've got 2 more short rows to go. This is 2 rows. And 2 more to go. Time to get it out of the ground. I don't usually wash my garlic, but it's so dirty this year I'm washing it off, so I don't have it all coming down on me when it dries.